Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will share with you what I did on my 18th day in this 100 days of coding challenge. Today I created features like adding and removing meals from local storage, and whenever we like that meal it must store that meal in the local storage, and whenever we unlike that particular meal it must remove it from local storage. I did this using JSON. If you want me to explain how JSON exactly works, let me know through comments. I will definitely make a separate video on it. If you check, when I click on the like button, that particular meal ID is added in its local storage. So this is what I learned today. If you have any doubts, if you want me to explain in detail about any part of the program, let me know through comments or mail me to my official mail girlcoderimpressive@gmail.com, and even follow me on Instagram or Twitter for further updates. Thank you.